Hey everyone, need to edit a PDF but only have Microsoft Word. The good news is that Word can open many PDF files and convert them into editable documents in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert a PDF to Word and make edits with ease. So let's get started. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You don't need any extra software for this method. Word has a built-in feature that can convert many PDF files into editable Word documents while keeping most of the original formatting. Click File, then choose Open. Browse to the PDF file you want to convert and select it. Word will display a message explaining that it will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK to continue. Word will take a few moments to convert the PDF, depending on the file size and complexity. Documents that mostly contain text usually convert very well, while files with complex layouts or scan pages may require a few manual adjustments. Once the conversion is complete, you can edit the document just like any other Word file. Change the text, update images, modify formatting, or add new content. Review the document carefully to make sure everything looks correct after the conversion. When you're finished editing, click File, then Save As. Choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and make sure the file type is set to Word document before clicking Save. And that's how to convert a PDF to Word using Microsoft Word. It's a fast and convenient way to make changes without recreating the document from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.